Uncle Brian. This is for you. Look at that red.
Red one?
Uh-huh.
Oh! Ho, ho, ho.
Now take the purple one.
Now what did you name your new rifle?
Hot pink.
Oh. All right. See if Hot Pink can get one more down there. Got it! Woo! Oh, how accurate is that rifle? How accurate?
If it's mine, it's a champion.
Show me how that rifle operates. How do you load it?
Oh, that's easy. You just pull it up. Ta-da!
Okay, shoot one down there. Go for the target, the bullseye, over the deer. Go for the bullseye, right for the yellow part. See the bullseye, the yellow? Shoot. Okay, good job.
Nothing came out of it.
Yeah, it was empty.